What's up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you have on Supreme Week 14, as well as do not forget to hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of heat coming out that I do not want you guys to miss. And as always, hit that join button because we would love to have each and every one of you become a part of the Shade Gang. All right, also merchandise, guys. For those of you who are looking to add to your wardrobe with some Shade Gang wear, we are doing a Black Friday weekend special through Monday, and that code is only black. So check out the merchandise that we have uploaded to our shop and use that code for 20% off. Whew, gosh, I feel like I need to like stretch it out, guys. My God. I'm still full from yesterday, I swear, and I'm like tired. I think I've yawned maybe 80 times today. Turkey kills me. I don't know what that thing is inside of that bird, but I know it has like almost like a sedative or something. It like relaxes and makes you tired, and I am feeling it today. I literally needed like an extra stomach to eat all the food that was on the table yesterday. And just had so many leftovers for today. Yeah, hopefully you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving and you ate to your heart's desire. Now we are going to talk about Black Friday. Shooting the Sakai's and Alpha Industries. Now we grab some quick lunch, which is most likely leftovers from yesterday. And gonna head to Supreme, get some items. Hopefully the items that I wanted. We'll see. Yeah, stay tuned. How surreal is it to have a Palace drop and a Supreme drop at the same time? Talk about like freaking mind-blowing stress. Oh my God. Like, oh, what am I gonna do? And Palace also gave me some issues this morning. I hate you, Palace. Literally sitting in that checkout screen and none of my cards were processing and going through. And so finally, after opening like the 80th tab, I decided to just like check out with PayPal. It was like, cha-ching, worked finally. But why didn't I try that from the start? Why? Anyways, let's get into my pickups for Supreme Week 14, talk about the items I got. Then we're gonna go through some of the sellout times, talk about which items sold the quickest, and then we are gonna conclude with how some of these items are doing on the resale market. So first up, let's just start with what I'm wearing, guys. Should I like stand up for you? You probably can't even tell. I mean, you probably can tell, but that's right. The Polartec hooded fleece in the natural. Natural is my jam. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know I love Supreme gear in the natural color, and this is so comfortable. It's in a size medium. I also did get a Polartec in small just so you guys could see the size difference. This is just long enough for my arms, but literally like, look at this. I bend, look how short. So yeah, definitely not the longest sleeves on the Polartec. As far as thickness, it's a decent thickness. It's like, you know, some nice fleece to keep you warm. It's not extremely thin. It's very soft, very, very soft. It's got the pull tab here to tighten the hood, and it does have some nice coverage if you are trying to cover your mouth. Like a mask, you know, a little extra layer to keep your face warm. And of course we have the nice Supreme logo on the front of the pockets here. Keep your hands warm as well. This is just definitely a great layering option for winter here in New York. I feel like I literally am wearing 8 layers sometimes, so this is definitely something that is going to keep me extremely warm. I am in love with the color. I think it really works well with the red Supreme box logo. It makes it pop, but I also got it in black. And this is a size small. The size small is just definitely a little too small for my arms. as the medium just makes the cut. This one came with the black and white text for the Supreme logo here on that box logo. And again, it's just got a black pull tab instead of this one that has a white one. Nothing on the back there, just plain and simple. But there you have it. You guys can see the two different fits. Small in comparison to a medium, and for those of you who don't know, I have a pretty short torso. Lengthwise, let's just check out the length real quick here. Folded up, you know, goes below the hips, but if I unfold it, definitely goes and drops below the crotch region down there. So it's got a nice length to it. Wouldn't say it's too short. I do have long legs. So that is the kind of shape and body type that I have, for those of you who are wondering about the size and the fit on this, but I do have long arms, so that's why. I tend to like to go with mediums just because the arm length on the smalls can be a little too short for me, but I do like the fit as far as the width goes. The medium is a bit more oversized, and I feel like the small width-wise does fit me a tad bit better. All right, so now moving on. Oh yes, so if you didn't know, this retailed for $148. And now we're gonna move on to the decks. I was able to cop 2 decks. Let's just actually pull this over to the side here and check out the 2 colors I got. So this is the deck that was the Antihero collab with Supreme. One of my favorite parts about this actually is the sticker it came with here. It's in the Coca-Cola text font. It's so cool. Antihero Supreme Classic, and it even has nutrition facts here. Total kook, so what? Baby laxative. Ooh, baby laxative, 57%. My goodness. Do I look fat? 110%. You bet your ass it's a bleeping beer pig. Yeah, serving size 1 beer, which is greater than God. More evil than devil. The rich need it. The poor have it. If you eat it, you will die, question mark. Can you arrange the letters from the following 2 words and combine them to make 1 word? New door. Interesting. Oh, let's see what else this says here. Frank gave Pete as many dollars as Pete started out with. Pete then gave Frank back as much as Frank had left. Frank then gave Pete back as many dollars as Pete had left, which left Frank broke and gave Pete a total of $80. How much did Frank and Pete have at the beginning of their exchange? Let me know, you guys, if you have the answer to that question. The answer is on the blog, but leave in the comment box if you know how much Frank and Pete started at the beginning of their exchange. Yeah, okay, well, I feel like it's $80. I don't know. Anybody? Maybe? All right, so let's go through this. We also have an Antihero extra sticker here and this bright lime green colorway with the Supreme sticker as well. See the eagle here, and this is kind of like a nice wood brown color with the gold eagle. And then let's flip it around. Atmosphere urine, and this is like the teal that fades into that green color scheme, which I do love this color scheme here. All right, now let's check out the other colorway that I got, which on the front of the deck, it is a orangish kind of red coloring scheme. Again, it comes with the same stickers, that Coca-Cola sticker, the Antihero sticker, and the Supreme sticker in there. And this one instead, it's almost like a blood orange color. I really like this too. And then on the back, it's got the same coloring scheme of that teal into that kind of green colorway. Let me know which deck you guys prefer, the blood orange or the brown deck. It seems as though the side trim of these are different too. So this one has pink and green, and this is like teal and green on the side of that deck too. But they both are the same coloring scheme on the back. It's good. Got everything I wanted. Now we're gonna go and tape it. There's something in my eyeball that's annoying me, but beyond that, it's feeling good. It's a nice day outside too. I'm not dressed actually way too warm. Pretty light week though for Supreme, so I'm not gonna lie. It's just like 1 and 2 items. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So just shot that. Now off to the studio. All right, now let's talk about sellout times. Go through which of the items sold out the quickest. I definitely know that this natural sold out pretty fast, as well as one of the puffer jackets actually. But that was to be expected. I do feel like the natural colors do tend to fly off the shelves. Let's see. Okay, so 6.5 seconds, the reflective speckled down jacket in XL flew the fastest. Then it was like back to back to back of the natural colored hooded sweatshirt, as well as the zip pullover. And then a bright blue and small went in 7.8 seconds, followed by the next item, which was the faux fur reversible hooded jacket. That went in 8.6 seconds. Then the ice blue went in 8.6 seconds. One was in XL, the next was in a small. Then it looks like the Polartec hooded sweatshirt in the black small, which is one of the ones I caught, that went in 8.8 seconds. Next item to go after some of those Polartec hooded sweatshirts and the faux fur, the faux fur hooded sweatshirt was the Polartec overalls. I was kind of feeling those overalls, but I took a pass because I was like, oh, am I going to wear these? Am I not going to wear these? But that went the quickest in the natural colorway. And then followed by the reflective speckled down jacket in the XL in black in 11.2 seconds. Followed by another one of the reflective speckled down jackets in the royal. So it looks like people are definitely buying according to the seasons, and it looks like people are definitely most interested in purchasing items that are going to be very warm for this coming winter time, which makes sense because here in New York, it's about to get so cold. We're gonna have to see how we're gonna be able to shoot because I don't do well below 20 degrees. So we'll see how that goes this year. Other than that, we are now going to go through some of the resale prices on how some of these items are going on the resale market. All right, so let's start with the pullovers. For the natural that went at retail for $148 for the win, I would say. It's going for a size small around $372. Other sizes are between $230 to $260. Then the black in a size small is going around $300 on the higher end, and the other sizes are going around $200 to $250. Now let's get into the boards. So we have the pink yellow, which retailed at $60, and that's currently going for around $70. And the blue green is currently going for $68. All right, you guys, thank you so much again for tuning into my channel. Hope you guys had an amazing Black Friday and were able to get some great deals today. Let me know what you guys were able to cop this week from Supreme, or if you took a pass, or let me know even if you were able to cop anything from Palace, or just in general, what were you shopping for today? And as always, guys, I just want to alert you, we have a special video coming up this weekend. I wanted to post it on Thanksgiving, but the box was delayed. So we had to postpone it, but I want you guys to definitely hit that notification bell so that you guys are alerted as soon as we have that video up over the weekend. And again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as leave me any comments or questions that you guys may have on this week, as well as give this video a thumbs up, you guys, at the end. It does help our videos get viewed more when you give it a thumbs up. And as always, hit that join button, you guys. We want you to become Shade members. So definitely look at those additional perks. If you guys are seeing those users who have speed limit signs next to their name and are wondering, hey, how did they get that? Or seeing that they're using special emojis when they're commenting on our lives, or even just down below, that is because they are a part of the Shade Gang, and we give them extra additional access to other items, such as speed limits that show how long you've been a member. So that will continuously go up in speed the longer you've been a member. And as always, we have new merchandise, you guys. It's so exciting, and we're doing a 20% off Black Friday through Monday. For 20% off if you're interested in adding to your wardrobe collection. I can't wait to also do a video. We've already got a hoodie in and I'm going to try on for you guys so you can kind of see what the merch looks like. But don't forget to use our code ONLYBLACK to get your 20% off.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
All right, everyone. Thanks again so much for tuning into my channel. We will catch you on the next video.